If you want to volume up and volume down by using your Motorola Moto Buds Plus, then first of all, you have to open this Motorola application and you'll have to open gestures. So it will be visible just right here. Now, you will have to go for, not right here, we have to actually go for the double tap or triple tap. And we have to pick the volume up or volume down. So we have to decide. You can actually do this only for the double tap. So let's say that I'm gonna volume up with the double tap on the left, and with the double tap on the right, I'm gonna volume down. So now let's go back and let's check if it works. Okay, maybe we have to play the song. Yeah, as you can see right now it is working. Let's try the left one. Yeah, as you can see, you can actually change the control. You can control volume level by using gestures on Motorola Moto Buds Plus. Thanks for watching.